In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a promo code for Urban Outfitters. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so you got your promo code, but you don't know where to add it in. No worries, I'll be able to help you out there. Okay, so what we need to do is get to the checkout section. So I'm just going to add a random product into my cart. I'm going to add this shirt here, select my size, click add to bag. And then I want to go ahead and view bag. I've got some random products here from earlier, so I'm just going to remove that. Alright, so I want to buy this shirt here. Now, once you're in your shopping bag, on the right hand side under the order summary, you will see enter promo code. So go ahead and click on that plus. Sorry, go ahead and click on enter promo code. Put in that promo code here. Click on add, and that's going to add that promo code. So if that promo code's for 20%, they're going to knock 20% off that order. And then from there, go ahead and click on continue to checkout and check out as you normally would with your savings.